If you want to hide the WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen, this quick step by step guide will show you how to remove WhatsApp from the home screen without deleting it. First, locate the WhatsApp app on your home screen. Now, tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then, tap on Remove App. Next, choose Remove from Home Screen. This will hide the app from your home screen, but keep it installed on your iPhone. Don't worry, you can still access WhatsApp anytime using the app library. Just swipe right through your home screens until you reach the app library. Then search for WhatsApp. If you want extra privacy, you can also disable notifications so messages don't appear on your lock screen. So, yeah, that's how you can hide the WhatsApp app on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.